If you're facing billing problems on PayPal, it's important to address them promptly to ensure your account remains in good standing. Follow these steps to resolve your issues effectively. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are experiencing. This could include unauthorized transactions, incorrect charges, or issues with subscriptions. Having a clear understanding of the problem will help you communicate it effectively. Step 2. Check your transaction history. Log into your PayPal account and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unfamiliar charges. Take note of the transaction details, including dates, amounts, and any associated information that may be relevant. Step 3. Contact PayPal customer support. Visit the PayPal Help Center and choose the option to contact customer support. You can reach them by phone, chat, or email. Provide them with all necessary details about your billing issue, including any evidence you have gathered. Step 4. Follow up on your inquiry. After you have submitted your inquiry, keep track of any reference numbers or case ID provided by customer support. If you do not receive a response within the expected time frame, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Review your account settings. Once your billing issue is resolved, take a moment to review your account settings. Ensure that your payment methods are up to date and that you have set up any necessary security measures to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on PayPal and maintain a smooth experience with your account. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative payment options.